Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a really simple skincare routine that will be perfect for transition from winter to spring. I know we're still in the midst of winter, but I know these will be really beneficial for you once that time comes. So I'm doing that beforehand because I got you, girl or boy. This is also perfect if you're just looking for that go-to routine, because this one has been really beneficial for me and my skin. I have been doing really well with my self-hygiene lately, and I am just super impressed, so I'm here to show you. By the way, I'm doing this really fast because I'm trying to use that natural lighting that is out of my window instead of light that is artificial, so that we could do this really quick together and we could look pretty natural. I love this setup and I'm sure you like it as well. I believe that skincare is super important, not only on your face but also your body. So I'll be adding a few tips and tricks or products that I use on my body after shower and etc. through morning and evening, and I think these will be really beneficial for you. So I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks that I would recommend. I use these tips on a daily, well, mostly on a daily, to pamper myself up and make sure that I'm super hydrated and ready to go. I struggle with combination skin, which means I have both oily and dry skin. And especially in the winter, my dry skin tends to come out a little bit more. I'm also quite prone to acne, so these tips will be really beneficial for those who are struggling with acne as well, because we all know how sensitive our skin is, and therefore I know these products won't hurt your skin in that sense. Even though I do struggle, I do get a lot of compliments on my skin, so I do think that I am somewhat experienced to show you and actually prove to you that these things work. But don't forget that it was also considered in my diet and it's also genetically stimulated, so not everything that I do may work for you. You could always take some tips and tricks on what I do to help to prevent these from coming out. All right, so we're gonna share some products, but before we go ahead and do that, I want to briefly talk about the sponsor of today's video. Let's welcome Dermrace, and specifically their Revive laser treatment tool. It is a company with a lot of skincare tools, but they're really specific with their laser treatments, which is scientifically proven to help skin barriers and revive them. Speaking of reviving, I have the Laser Revive from their line. It is an amazing tool that I have tried for the past 4 weeks, and honestly, I see the difference. This tool works to even out the skin tone, prevent aging, and give your skin a healthy glow. I know the products that I'm going to share today are preventative, but tools like these sometimes enhance the results. Take my word for it, I have seen the biggest difference in fading my dark spots and acne spots, and my skin feels so much more tighter. I don't think my skin has looked better in a very long time. Though I don't have wrinkles, but I significantly noticed how tightening this makes my skin feel. Also, my pores are so much more refined and appear a little bit more smaller, which I am actually obsessed with. I haven't tried it long enough because it is recommended to do it for a very long time, but I am really excited for the results in the long run. I always say collagen is key for elastic skin. It helps to protect your skin and in the long run will reduce wrinkles and signs of aging. The Laser Revive from Dermrace gives your skin ultra high energy for collagen regeneration. If you compare my skin from the first week to now, you could see how much my dark spots have faded. My skin feels a lot more glowy and pampered. Revive uses cutting edge laser technology, the same as the technicians use in salons. It works for a very long time and absorbs into specific tissue without damaging the epidermis, delivering benefits like skin tightening, brightening, and dark spot reduction. LED red light therapy is amazing, but the laser is much more powerful. It penetrates deeper into skin to promote collagen, resulting in firmer, smoother skin. If you're struggling with discoloration or uneven skin, this is an amazing product to try. It is super effective and long lasting. What I love about products like these is that you could invest in something for a long term just with one purchase. No need to repeatedly visit salons and pay money there for other treatments, which probably are not as necessary. It is super easy to use. I usually use it for 2 to 5 minutes a day. There are 3 powerful settings and only 2 buttons, which makes adjusting very easy. It also has 2 modes, stamping and sliding, depending on what you're looking to do. Select the setting that suits your needs and press on the button. The indicator light will flash when it's ready to work, and you will place the window against your skin. The indicator flashes like blue means it's working. I am super impressed on how easy it is to use this tool. I have noticed significant change into my skin and how it's reacting to my products. especially around my cheek zone area. I have seen significant change in my dark spots. Like, I know I'm wearing makeup, but they're not existent and it's super even. I usually give tools like these about a year to try out, so I'll give you an update if you're interested. Also, I want to thank Dermaries again for sponsoring this portion of the video. It has been a really pleasure to try this out for the past 4 weeks, and I'm super excited to see the difference. I'm so grateful to share these products and test them out for you because honestly, I just want to know if it works for myself, and I am super impressed when it does. By the way, I do have a discount code for you guys. Use leviza.murr for $130 off any products of their website. Everything will be linked down in the description box below with the discount code if you forget it. I'm sure you will because you will continue for the rest of my video. So yeah, don't forget to check it out, please. Now let's get back to my video about sharing what I do in the morning and evening as for my skincare routine. This product is amazing. Now let's get back to the video. I do want to start with the morning skincare routine, which is a bit different from my evening routine. In the morning, I usually don't wash my face with a cleanser. I use a toner instead. This is one of my favorites right now because it helps to even out my skin tone and prepares my skin for makeup. Next, I go into the serum to moisturize. Right now, I'm using this one and also this serum from Serum Kind. This one in specific is a chaga serum. It is super lightweight and absorbs into my skin really nicely. After that, I never skip SPF. It is such an important step for protecting my skin, and I always make sure to hydrate and protect my skin barrier in the morning. My morning routine is super simple, nothing heavy. If you want to wear makeup or just want to protect your skin, these products work really well to keep you hydrated, glowy, and protected throughout the day. For body care, I shower in the evening and sometimes wash my hair in the morning, depending on the day. Today, after showering, I apply lotion all over my body to keep my skin hydrated, especially in the winter, which tends to be dry and dull. I love using Beekman products for this because they are very nice and clean, and also Bliss is also really nice. Now you guys, let's talk about the PM version of my skincare routine because it is a little bit more product heavy than the AM. Is it getting a little dark? I'm sorry. I'll try to do this really quick. Talking about my evening routine, which is a little bit more product precise, I like to slug my skin. Meaning I like to use a lot of products so that my skin looks nicely shiny, hydrated, and super concentrated with products. That is super important to me because I want to wake up like my face is baby's butt. Yeah. I just want to have a soft skin like they do. I'm sure you do too. I firstly start with the Eupotic Calm Balm. This is my double cleansing routine. And then while removing all of the makeup, I go ahead with the Beekman cleanser, which has micellar water. It is great for removing makeup. Then I go with the same toner and follow with the serum that I used in the morning. For moisture, I apply a thick layer of La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizer, which especially in the winter when my skin needs extra hydration. If you need more hydration, I use a facial mask. These layers of products will keep my skin hydrated and plump overnight. When I wake up, you guys, my skin feels amazing. Love my skin after this. All these products layer really well together and help balance my combination skin, keeping both dry and oily areas in check. I love how they make my skin feel smooth and hydrated without any flakes or dryness. These products are gentle and pretty affordable, and they help me to maintain glowy, hydrated, and radiant skin. That is exactly what I want. Nothing is better for me than healthy and radiant skin. All right, my beautiful people, I think it's getting dark enough. This is going to be the end of today's video. I think you will enjoy this format because I am enjoying it so much. I hope these tips were helpful for you, and I just know I wish there was a video like this for me when I was 13 years old struggling with my combination skin. So if you are 13 years old and struggling, I'm here to help you. I'm sorry that you're struggling, but I'm here to help you, and I'm just gonna let you know that everything will be okay. Don't worry about your skin, just work with what you got. Don't let it stress you out because you only live once. Don't make your skin unhappy. No, don't make yourself unhappy because of your skin. Exactly. That doesn't matter. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on. I try to upload as much as possible, and I'm taking a little bit of a different turn into these videos, and I try to be a little bit more personable. And of course, I want you to understand what I am and who I am. What I am. What am I talking about? Yeah, I just want to show off my personality a little bit more and get out of my box of a little bit of insecurities. So yeah, YouTube is going to be my new diary of the things that I want to share and actually show you. And I'm super excited for that. I am genuinely today, especially expressing myself the way I want to. Not that I was fake or anything, but I just think I am a little bit more open with you guys today, and I love that. Don't forget to check out every link that I have listed in the description below. I'm very, very excited for you to try out all these products and tips. Thank you again for watching. I will be seeing you on the next one. Have an amazing day or night. I will see you next time. Bye.